We're so excited to be offering our MedTech7 Summer STEAM Camp again for our students this year. This year, students are exploring space through a variety of ways, including science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math.
The kids are having a great time here at our STEAM camp. It's amazing to see what they know already and how they can integrate technology into the lesson plans we have to introduce them to different space concepts.
At the camp this year, the students are taking 4 different modules. First module is survival, where they're doing microbit STEM kits.
We used the microbit and some wires to connect it with the batteries, and then it told us what the weather was. We also used some Legos, and I used it and I got a figure of a weatherman, and there was like a board outside and you could tell the weather.
The second class is the colonies class, where they're learning how to code video games and be able to actually play their video games on an actual piece of hardware.
We were basically coding throughout this week to make our own video game, but today we went on the Z-Space and we had this like 3D virtual reality kind of thing where you use the VR pen to like move around planets and stuff and like dissect them and just take a good look at them. It's just cool because you're always seeing stuff in just 2D on a flat surface, and you never really see stuff where you can just like kind of just interact with it in 3D when it's virtual.
The third class would be our travel class, which would be our space rocketry class. They launch rockets off.
First we put fins on it, and then we put the water in it, and we put this little tube inside of it, and then we pump it up and pull a string and it goes up into the air.
We put about a little bit below halfway, and I pushed it up to about 60 on the pressure, and it went the highest up.
And our last module was space exploration, where they design and build an actual rover and then program the rover through obstacle courses.
We were coding our rovers to go in the way that we wanted to go, and it was going through different obstacles.
We're loving how we can see students interacting with new technology. They're learning coding, they're learning robotics, they're learning how to utilize Z-Space, and they're so excited to have this new technology in their hands and to be able to explore the design concepts all through hands-on learning activities.
The other important part about the camp is that we're not just training students, but we're also training teachers. And teachers are learning new skills that they're going to be able to take back into the classroom and be able to do this same kind of activities and all this STEM planning that we've done here for the camp and the 2 days of training, and take that back and use it with the kids that they have during the regular school year. And we're excited to see some of these same activities and some of the same type of STEM concepts being put into the classroom in the future.
Students who use and learn hands-on technology are able to be prepared for the workforce. Companies are always looking for students who graduate with an understanding of STEAM, technology, design, cooperation, collaboration, and other 21st century learning skills.
What's great about what they're doing here at our STEAM camp is that the skills they're learning from a technological standpoint are going to advance them in the future. We're not trying to prepare them for how the schools are right now, but how the schools are going to be in the future. So having these introductions to technology, introduction to coding, introduction to building robotics, introductions to launching rockets off, are going to help propel them into the future as they advance in their schooling.
It was a fun experience, and I really liked it because I learned how to code, and there was a lot of other things to do.
I think it's fun because I get to learn different things that I didn't know how to do before, and I get to learn how to code and more advanced stuff that normal 5th graders probably wouldn't be able to do.
We had a great time at MedTech7 STEAM Camp this year. We hope to see you for our camp next year.